wonderful people, how you are doing? I welcome you. Good afternoon from here. So guys, make lunch with me, spend my afternoon with me. So guys, we're not coming back now. For my OGs, oh goodness, let me just appreciate you guys first before starting this vlog. Thank you all for the comment, thank you for the like, thank you for coming back, thank you for everything. God bless you all for the supporting the big girl here. But it's the first time seeing me. I'm Favor, your mom of 4 basically. So guys, I want to cook. First, I'm making lunch. Oh god. I'm making lunch, so I'm also making food for them too. So we're coming back now. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. I take pizza, so I want to give him pizza so that he can eat and suddenly. So we'll continue our vlog and take. No, take it hot. No. So guys, I want to cook noodles for the kids. So I want to cook noodles for them for lunch before my food will be ready because I'm just coming back. We are all just coming back. They did not go to school today because we have appointments. So the vlog will come up first before this one. So I have many things I'm doing here at the same time. Let me show you guys. Here is noodles for the kids. You guys see how I'm going to make this one. So here is cocoyam. So I'm making soup. Some fresh rice I'm making for them to after eating what they will eat. Just so the fresh rice just for like curing after eating. So that is so that because after cooking I want to go and rest. So that one they just maybe if they want anything they just take it after eating. So let me show you guys how my kids love their noodles, how I make their noodles, because they have ways of how they eat their noodles. So let's get is so spicy, so I'm just being careful. Avoid eating the food myself. Only me. This part, our French rice is ready. So they just finished eating now. So I have to wait a little bit before giving them that French rice. And Oga is good. He's sleeping, and his sister is also sleeping. So perfect for me to do my cooking, and I just pray I should just want to sleep. People are starting with sleep because my head is pounding me. My socks. I have the meat I boiled. I added some salt inside, so I don't want to add too much salt. So I have to be watching them. So my Maggi. My crayfish. So our Turkish fish is ready. Now I have to add our cocoyam. Ogiri, ogiri ogbe, ogiri. You will just wrap this thing with so many pepper while it just small something that is inside. Yeah. Ogiri. So guys, this is my oha. I've already plugged and washed and put them in the freezer. So, and today I have to wash it again because they say anything that comes out from the freezer we should wash a bit. So this is how I got that day. I went to African shop. When I went to Modena, so this is one of it. So I'm adding my smoked fish. Wow, you see that the oha is now fresh again. It has revived back. So this is my smoked fish. So guys, I'm done cooking. My hot soup is ready.